Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to study poem number 3, Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo was born in 1904 and he died in 1973. Okay, I explain about some about poem. Neruda poems are full of easily understood image which makes them no less beautiful. He won the Nobel Prize of Literature in year 1971. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. Okay, so this was the brief about poet, and now I'm going to tell you summary about the poem, and then we'll have the stanza wise explanation. Now students, summary of the poem Keeping Quiet. The poet encourages people all over the world to count to 12. Be quiet and do nothing. He wants people to be still so that there is silence on the earth. This would be an unusual and exciting movement without the rush of vehicles and machines. This stillness will be strange, but there would be no pollution and the bond of humanity will become stronger. This inactivity will stop the fishermen from catching fish, so the whales will be safe. The salt pan worker will find them to heal his wounds. Those who wage wars against humanity or environment, including the use of poisonous gases, war where there is victory but not survivors, will be able to shade their uniform and walk peacefully with their brothers. There would be peace, harmony, and brotherhood. The poet clarifies that though he is advocating the importance of silence, he does not want to be misunderstood. He does not mean inactivity. He wants there to be action for progress or there will be death. He wants people to and stop being self-centered and selfish. He wants them to move in the right direction of live and let live. He does not want us to have the fear of death and think how many of our dreams have been fulfilled, but he wants people to understand what they have gained in life. According to the poet, the earth can be the best teacher to guide us. In the process of being quiet, he say that a seed seems to be dead when it is planted, it comes to life and produce a plant or tree. He offers to count 12 from his reader to, and then he wants to move away so that the reader can enjoy his meditative and introspecting stage. Okay student, this is the summary of the poem. के poet wants silence everywhere so that we can enjoy the environment and we can learn from the earth. Okay, so now we are going to study stanza wise explanation. Okay, now students, we are going to have stanza wise explanation line by line. So I am going to read the stanza. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on on the face of the earth. It's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Now the explanation of that stanza. The poet urged the reader to count to 12, count the 12 and maintain absolute stillness or silence. He calls to observe a brief period of silence. The use of number 12 can be associated to the hours of daylight filled with noise generated by human activities. It can also be mean the number of months in a year. Two-way author wants to explain. Both things indicates the manner in which our time is drowned in the noise that we create continuously. The poet appealed to observe at least one such moment on earth when no kind of words are used. He suggests using no other language beside the language of silence. For that would provide an opportunity to introspect. He the rider to stop for a brief time, just a second, and not to fly arms while expressing views. This appeal highlights the practice of human to speak constantly and reinforce their speech by action. In this stanza, poet is explaining us that we have to be silent for some minute of time, and if we are very angry, if we are not in a peace of mind, then we have to count 1 to 12, and 12 it means a day and night or a month of the years. So poets wants to tell us that spend some time with ourselves. Okay, now in second stanza, it would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Now the explanation of the stanza 2. The poet then attempts to present to the reader the worth of moment of silence. He believes it to be an exotic moment devoid of distracting hurry or noise. It would have be strange power to bring together all humanity, that moments of deliberate silence will be free of violence and shall permit time for self-interpretation. Okay. Stanza 3, students. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Okay, now the explanation. With more time to think about their actions and awareness about their power, man will exhibit their free will and stop harming other surroundings. The poet gives the example of a fisherman not harming whales and a man collecting salt, stopping a while to examine his own wants. Okay, now then poets explains that if we can give some time to ourselves, then whale in the way sea also whale can get sometimes, and the people who are collecting salt, they harm their hands with so many, so they can also get time to see their wants and they can do something for them. Students, Stranger 4. Those who prepare green wars, wars with guests, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Okay, now the explanation of that fourth stanza. The poet refers to conflict over land and air to drive home the point that the outcome of such war result in losses of all participants. These wars bring a kind of victory which cannot be celebrated since it does not leave behind any survivors. A time zone of silence would make us aware about their bitter reality. When such a conscious of effort from introspections would be made, men would shed their bloody war garments and adorn unsolded clothes. Example, adopt a fresh approach to life. This approach would encourage everyone to move together like breathe under soft and embalming shade in peace, place of violence and rug of conflicts. Then no one will have to struggle in the race of one upmanship because nothing would be required to be done when peace would have been acquired. Okay. Now stanza 5 students. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want not to track with death if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing. Perhaps a huge silence might interpret this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Now the explanation of that fifth stanza. Now poet wants to clarify that. Clarifying his views about doing nothing, the poet says that he play for stillness should not be mistaken for passivity. He urged to look at life honestly for its simplicity. Life should not be interpreted as something complicated. It is very simple experience of existing in harmony with our surroundings and appreciating the beauty of quietness within and around us. He is advised not to have truck with death. Is an item that cannot having nothing to do with the end of life. He wants to live with peacefully and quietly without bothering about any jerk of independent caused by an integral part of human life till death. Moving ahead with explanation, the poet explains the benefit of huge silence by asking the reader to consider the situation when none of us would make deliberate efforts to move our lives further. That moment when all of us would break the self inflicted barriers of time, routine, and habit, that moment of inaction would help us to introspect the sadness that we experience because of our failure to understand ourselves. It would also help us overcome our fear of death, which is an inevitable aspect of existence. Moving ahead with the last stanza of the poem, students. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to believe to be alive. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Now the explanation of that last stanza, what poet wants to tell. The poet finally takes us to nature to understand the simplicity that runs the cycle of life. He asks us to learn from earth, which appears still and lifeless from afar, but as we observe closely, it is full of blasting life. Everything which is born on earth goes through the cycle of growth to serve the purpose of for which it is sent to earth by God. It then degrades and ends in death only to make way for new and young life to follow the same cycle. Having presented his philosophy, the poet leaves the reader alone to sit in silence and personally experience the power of quietness. The central idea of the poet is his call to observe silence and introspect ourselves. Surrounds at the end signifies the silence desire of the poet about keeping quiet. With this, we complete our poem Keeping Quiet. In poets wants us to take some silence in our day-to-day life, and we learn from earth so many things, and we do that. And with the conclusion, students, poet wants us to have the fear of death and think how many of our dreams have been fulfilled, but he wants people to understand what they have gained in their life. According to the poet, the earth can be the best teacher to guide us in the process of being quiet. He says that a seed seems to be dead when it is planted, it comes to life and produce a plant or tree. He offers to count 12 for his rider to introspect, and then he wants to move away so that the rider can enjoy his meditative and introspecting stage. Okay, so with this we end the poem. I will put some hard keywords in the WhatsApp group and figure of speech also in the WhatsApp group. Okay, students.